This is a platform where you can instantly make decisions. So we believe participating in travel march like this, it's very important because sometimes the traditional things still work. I'm so delighted that we have got to know the correct persons, the correct destination management companies, and this is what we were looking for. And the type of feedback that we have gathered, it's really amazing.
TTF has always been very important for us because as in a state of Sikkim, you know that more than 50% of our visitors come from West Bengal.
देखिए ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे डिफरेंट स्टेट के टूरिज़्म डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड स्टेक होल्डर्स तो प्रेजेंट रहते ही हैं, ट्रेड विजिटर्स भी प्रेजेंट रहते हैं।
हमारे जो को पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वो भी काफ़ी खुश हैं। ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है जहाँ से वो अच्छा बिजनेस अपना कर सकते हैं।
I've been here from past 14 years and we're regularly participating in TTF Ahmedabad, and Gujarat is a great market for us. The meetings have been really nice. We are meeting new people, new stakeholders here, and great interactions.
విదేశీ టూరిస్టులు టూరిజం అనేది చూస్తే గ్రోత్ రేట్ చూస్తుంటే 1,056% గ్రోత్ రేట్ ఉంది అంటే ఈరోజు టూరిజం పట్ల ఈ ప్రభుత్వానికి మరి ఎంత శ్రద్ధ ఉంది అనేది ఆ గ్రోత్ రేట్ బట్టి అర్థమవుతుంది.
बिहार सरकार द्वारा आयोजित इस खूबसूरत ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म फेयर के दूसरे संस्करण में मैं नीतीश जी का धन्यवाद करते हुए इस शानदार आयोजन की सफलता की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और साथ ही साथ इस कार्यक्रम में मुझे आने का सौभाग्यपूर्ण अवसर आप सबने प्रदान किया। मैं हृदयपूर्वक उसके लिए बिहार सरकार और नीतीश मिश्रा जी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
It's a good platform to promote tourism for all the states as well as the DMCs as well as the individual travel operators.
We are collaborated with TTF for more than 10 years. So from initially onwards, we are working with TTF. TTF has given us a good opportunity for helping us to connect us with the agency.
This has become a very good platform for both the in-house, the state sellers and the people who have come from other states. And I think there's been a very good response. TTF has given them a very good opportunity, very good platform to sell.
TTF, it is a wonderful platform. On every episode of TTF, we have been participating since very long. A very exciting number of private sector, more than 15 private sector companies has joined.
TTF is one of the best platform in India to promote any state, and these are the places where under one roof you can meet so many different stakeholders.